If you have been temporarily blocked on Messenger, then here is how you can try to fix or reduce the block. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into the same account of which the Messenger has been blocked off. Then, once inside the Facebook account, tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen mentioned as a menu section. Then once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the help and support option available there. Then tap on the report a problem, then tap on the continue reporting and tap on the don't include, and here scroll down and tap on the messages option available. Now all you have to do is explain your situation briefly and politely and submit the report. After reporting, the block won't be lifted immediately, but you must wait out. The block duration could be 24 to 72 hours. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.